How to improve your productivity. Every one of us would like to improve our productivity. So today I'm going to show you one simple app which will help us to break down our task, manage it properly, and as a result improve our productivity. This is a free app from Google which can be availed as a part of Gmail. It can be also used as a Google Chrome extension. It's actually a part of Google Gsuit, and the best way is use on your smartphone. So today I'm going to show you 10 reasons why you should try Google Keeps at least once on your smartphone. So welcome back to another video from Imagination. Let us start. First, let us install the app on our smartphone. After that, I will show you 10 reasons which I personally feel Google Keep is the best tool which will help us to manage our task and other things to improve our productivity. Let's open the App Store or the Play Store depending on which model of smartphone you are using. Once you open the Play Store or App Store, just type either Google Keep or just simply Keep. So here the result is already there, Google Keep. Let me try to install that. Since I'm using iPhone, I need to go through a verification process, so just let me authenticate that and let us complete the installation process first. Once we install app, let us just open the app, and this is the screen which you are going to get. It is just like a getting started screen, what all things Google Keep is capable of. So let us see what are the 10 features which I personally believe which is best for you. The first one is Checkbox to-do list. To do that, just click on the plus icon and create a new note. Let me just give the name to do. Left hand side there is a small plus and select the option Checkbox. Now you can type what are list of items which you need to do as a daily task or something need to be completed and have a track of that. So let me just add under pay phone bill and follow up email. So once the task is completed, you just need to click on the checkbox, so automatically the completed task will be moving to the downside of the note. So this is very simple, is it? Number 2, collaboration with others. For example, if I have a shopping list or something, or if I have a note, something need to be work with my teammates. This is very simple, which we can do on Keep. So let me just make a shopping list here, and I'm adding a checkbox for the tasks. So the app is smart enough to identify when you click on shopping list what all things normally comes under the shopping list. It is already starting giving me the suggestions. So that is the beauty of Google Keep. So let me add a few items over here. Once I add the items, to collaborate I have to just click on the 3 dots, select collaboration and search for the email ID. So here I'm searching for the email ID of my wife, and once the email ID has been searched, just need to select the check mark. So automatically the note or the task which we have created will be collaborated, so both person can work on that note at the same time. This is very useful for everyone. Number 3, organize color and pin. For example, if we have lots of notes, how can we organize it properly? One way of doing it is creating tags. To create a tag, just click a hash and the tag name. So automatically you can see a note tag is created over there. You can have multiple tags for the same document, which will be easy for us to search. So it is the one way of organizing, creating tags for a particular note or a task which we are creating on Keep. So let me create a small task, random task over here, preparation of a project plan. What I can write, complete the assignments, typo errors, sorry. Complete the assignments. Cool. Now we can also have a different color for different type of notes. To do that, click on the 3 dots. Click on the 3 dots. The moment we click on 3 dots, we'll have with the multiple options, so we can have lot of colors, so we can create different color category for different kinds of notes. And also you have an option to pin it, which will be always showing on the top once you moment the pin it. Number 4, reminder with geotag. Suppose if you want to create something for just like a reminder, which is normally available on phone, here we have one more step ahead. So let me just create a reminder note by some X, okay, and just click on reminder, and I can have option to date and time. The best thing is, suppose we are passing by a grocery shop, so you can just tag here. Let me just type Nesto hypermarket. So when I am reaching the area of Nesto hypermarket, keep will remind me to buy X. Isn't it cool? Exactly. Number 5, drawing and scribbling. Google Keep give us an option to draw or write something with our hand and scribble something, and the best thing is you can actually capture that as a transcript. Let us try that. Let me just create a document called drawing, and let me just run something randomly like drawing test. Once that is done, just click on the 3 dots and select the option grab image test. Boom, done. It is already copied, so we have the option to copy paste it somewhere we actually required it. Number 6, record and transcribe audio. One of the coolest feature of Google Keep is like we can create a voice memo and it will be automatically transcribed to the text. It is support almost all language by the Google already supporting. So let us have a live demo over here. This is testing for audio transcribe. So the voice is already been recorded, and you can have the voice note, and you can see the text over there. This is testing for audio transcribe. Cool. Number 7, add image OCR. Google Keep give us an option to grab a picture when we are seeing something, and what all text which you can see on the picture can be grabbed as a normal text. So once you click on picture, click on the 3 dots and grab image text, and see what all text are there in the image is already been captured by Google Keep. Number 8, archive versus delete. Suppose if you have a lot of tasks which is already completed and we might need it for the future reference, actually we don't have to delete it. We can give an option for archive, which will be removing the task from the main list, and it will be still under searchable. Number 9, search notes. Google means one of the best search in the world. So Google Keep also will give us the option to search the notes by tags, content, and the labels which we have created for the Google Notes, and it will give you the optimized result, and it can also search from the archive. Number 10, integration with Gmail and Gsuit. Once you open the Gmail app and you can see a yellow color icon of Google Keep, what are notes which we have created on any platform of Google Keep will be automatically synchronized to the Gmail and the Google Suite. As Google Keep is a cloud solution, it will be available and synchronized seamlessly across Gmail, Google Docs, desktop, laptop, tablets, and our smartphone. So this is the best thing to manage our task and improve our productivity. So friends, let me know your comments and feedback on the comment section below. If you like this video and feel this could be helpful for your friends, please consider sharing with your friends as well. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, or you are first time visitor in my channel, I would like to request you to subscribe to my channel, because that would help my channel to grow. Until then, I'm back with another topic. Take care and bye.
Life gets busy. Wouldn't it be nice to have a central place where you could save what's on your mind? With Google Keep, you can stay on top of your world by quickly and easily organizing everything you want to remember. No matter where you are.
Finalize door list for Thursday's gig.
So when you find inspiration, you can file away your ideas. And Google Keep stores them safely across all your devices. And when the time comes, you'll have everything covered. Save what's on your mind. Google Keep.